Alright, this is how you do an azimuth of a planet. The problem we'll be working out is at 23:26 zone time on the 22nd of June, your vessel's position is latitude 28 degrees 30 minutes north, longitude 150 degrees 04 minutes west. An azimuth of the planet Jupiter is observed, and the standard compass bearing is 250.4 degrees. The chronometer reads 09 hours 24 minutes 36 seconds and is 1 minute 12 seconds slow. The variation of the area is 3.5 degrees east. What is the deviation of your standard compass? You're going to need your nautical almanac and your 229. You're going to start off with doing your zone time and your zone description to find out your GMT. Your zone time is going to be 23:26. You find out your zone description by doing 150 degrees divided by 15. It's going to give you 10. So because you're headed west, it's going to be plus 10. And it's going to come out to be 09:26. This is going to be on the next day, so your GMT is on June 23rd. You'll then do your chronometer time and your chronometer error. It's 09:24:36. You'll be adding your error, so it's 1 minute 12 seconds. Then you're going to do that, and it's going to be 48:25:09. Now it's also the 23rd of June. You're going to go into your nautical almanac, find Jupiter, go down to the 23rd, find 09, and that's going to give you your GHA of Jupiter. Which is going to be 224.34. Then you're going to do your minutes and seconds, which is 25:48. Go in the back of your book to 25, go down to 48, and it's going to be sun and planets, so it's going to be plus 6:27. You're also going to correct for your V, which is 2.3. Go back to your minutes and seconds. And it should be 1. You're going to add all these together, and you should get 23:01.4. And that will be your GHA of Jupiter. You're going to subtract your longitude because it's west. And you're going to get the LHA of Jupiter as 80:57.4. Then you have to go and find your declination of Jupiter. Your declination is going to be north 37.7. Your little d is 0.1, and because it's getting smaller, it's going to be negative. And then go back to your minutes and corrections. And it's going to be 0.1, which is 00, so there is no correction for that. North 37.7. You're then going to go to your 229, and you have to set up your table for LHA, latitude, and declination. Your first column is going to be base Z, the next higher, your increments, and then your correction. In your 229, you're going to go to your LHA, which is 80. And then you're going to go on this page, since your latitude and your declination are the same. And then you go to 28 degrees, which is your latitude, and then 0, which is your declination. So your base D is going to be 94.7. And that's going to go straight across. Then for LHA, you're going to find your next higher for LHA. So you're going to turn the page and go to 81. Do the same thing, 28 degrees, 0 for your declination. It's going to give you 94.3. And then do the same for your latitude and go over to 29 degrees. And it's going to be 24.9, or 94. And then for your declination, the next higher is 93.8. You're then going to find the difference between all of these. So 94.7 minus 94.3. That's going to give you 0.4, and because it's getting smaller, it's going to be negative. 94.7 minus 94.9. Because it's getting larger, it's going to be plus 0.2. 94.7 minus 93.8. And that one's going to be negative 9.8. You're then going to take your LHA increments, which is 57.4, and you're going to do 57.4 times 0.4 equals 22.96 divided by 60, and it's going to give you 0.4, and that'll be negative. And then to do the same with latitude, and your latitude increments are 30.0. So you're going to do 30 times 0.2 equals 6 divided by 60 equals 0.1. And that's going to be plus. And then for declination, it's 37.7. 37.7 times 0.9 equals 33.93 divided by 60 equals 0.56. So you can round that up to 6. It's going to be negative 0.6. You're going to add all these together. So negative 0.6 and 0.4 are negative 10 minus 0.1, and it's going to give you 0.9, negative 0.9. And then you subtract it off of your base C, which is 94.7 minus 0.9 is going to give you 93.8. You're then going to do TVMDC. Your true is going to be, oh wait, hold on, sorry. Because your LHA is less than 180, you're going to take 360 minus 93.8. That's going to give you 266.2, and this will be your true. So you're going to put your true right here, 266.2. Your variation is from your problem, which is 13.5, and because it is east, you will subtract it from your 266.2. And that's going to give you 252.7. And then your compass will come from the 250.4. And you're going to subtract that from your magnetic, which will give you 2.3. And because it's getting smaller, it's going to be east. So your deviation is 2.3 east.